Okay, so welcome to Beijing and the video on this very sunny Saturday morning. I'm on the way here to Tim Hortons behind me in this building here. It's actually a donuts place. I don't think I've had donuts in like a year, but I figured let's do one of these kind of cheat days. It's not normally how I live my life. I eat very healthy, but if you're new here, you want to see more from China, me trying more other things, maybe give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in there. Yeah, so here in China I still get out of the mask here. I'm gonna scan this QR code, so I'm gonna go into Tim Hortons here. As mentioned, it's a Canadian place actually. I've never tried it before, but it's supposed to be very nice. So let's go and check out and see what they have here. A lot of interesting things. Hope they have some good donuts. Yeah, nice. So it seems like they've got a nice collection here. Only 5, but I can save some more for later. So I'm gonna have this chocolate one, and then I have this kind of strawberry thing, and then the sprinkles. So let's get those 3 and try them out. Nice. Oh, we got the donuts. Let's open them up. Very interesting boxes here. I guess it's for safety, but I'm gonna open them up, see what we can find inside. Ooh, nice. Take a look inside. Ooh, we got the strawberry one. That is looking nice. This is some crazy stuff, right? Let's gonna try them out there. We get the strawberry first, then we get the sprinkle, then we get the chocolate one. Nice. I have a feeling it's gonna be quite messy, especially with the chocolate, but let's try it out here. Ooh, that is looking nice. Take a look at this. Ooh, chocolate. Let's have a bite. The chocolate, wow, so sweet. I rarely eat chocolate, especially not the sweet. Wow, this is some good stuff. That is tasty, that is for sure. Let's try out this creamy sprinkle one. Looking very exotic. No clue what it's gonna taste like. I think it's kind of a hint of vanilla or something. Very nice. Actually, obviously, it's white chocolate. I'm pretty stupid. Dark chocolate, white chocolate. Okay, let's have this glazed strawberry one. Ooh, just take a look at this nice goodness here. Okay, let's try it. I'm not sure if you can see here, but you have this kind of nice filling inside. Oh, that is very nice. That is a tasty start to the morning, that's for sure. And I have like stuff everywhere. Crazy nice. I've never been to Tim Hortons before actually, only like Dunkin' Donuts and some other ones, but I rarely eat this, so I'm gonna take my time, enjoy this a little bit, and then I will see you outside. Okay, so now outside, that was definitely very enjoyable, and luckily already getting like 16,000 steps so far today. I actually went for a bit of a walk earlier because they didn't open, so I went up this morning and I didn't actually have any breakfast. I've been doing intermittent fasting, so basically no breakfast up until now, and now I'm gonna take a walk, continue walking, and go to the next place. But I think each of those donuts is probably like between 200 to 400 calories, depending on if it's really like dark or if it's with jam inside. So maybe 250 each times 3, so at least like 750 calories or maybe 800. But I still have the whole day and it's around noon, so I'm gonna go to the next place, check it out, and let's see what we can find. Really, really nice weather out here in Beijing. I just start walking, burning off those calories here. I'm gonna show a bit of eclipse in the background. So beautiful when the leaves are, you know, getting green. You have all these nice contrasts and old buildings, new buildings. Really want to show more of this with you guys in my videos. So let me know if you want to see more or less of this. At least for me, it's very, you know, nice and soothing for the mind to change up a bit little from the daily work when you're just in an office all day. So yeah, see you soon. So many nice, cool places around to explore here. Different snacks and foods and restaurants, cafes, very, very nice. But I think I'm gonna save a little bit for next time. So I'm gonna go around there first, see if we can find the specific place I'm looking for. I was actually looking for something else, but I found some nice pork in the background. I'm gonna try it. See, people are screaming, let's try it out. That is looking very good, that's for sure. Small one, let's try it out. Ooh, nice. Yeah. Cumin, wow, that is looking good. Oh, 谢谢。哦，看起来很好吃。谢谢。Wow, nice. Okay, so now we got this amazing food here. Hope you can see it. Take a look at this. Found a nice little table here next to the flowers. There are no proper tables around, so gonna try this out here. Take a look. They are laughing in the background, but I'm gonna laugh when I try this. Wow, take a look. That is some crazy goodness. Let's try. So crispy. Wow, that is amazing. Pork and a lot of fat. Yeah, this is life, right? Same with one last big piece here. Just listen to that crunch, it's crazy. Okay, I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this. Keep on walking, and I will see you a little bit later. So as you can see, that crispy pork was pretty incredible. I was actually looking for something a bit sweet, kind of a Chinese version of the donut, which is like a youtiao, kind of also like a stick with less calories, but I didn't find it. But this was actually better. It had protein, at least some fat. So I mean, I tried to use kind of 80-20 rule. So 80% of the time I eat, you know, healthy things that are fun and so on, or not fun but healthy, good for my health, to get me to my goals. And the rest, 20%, I kind of try to eat things like this that are fun. But I mean, this earlier meal I had with the donuts, maybe each of them is like between 200 to 400 calories, as I said. Maybe they only have like 3 to 7 grams of protein each, maybe like 10 grams of fat or something like that, and like 25 to 50 grams each per carb. So basically, each donut, if you have, let's say 5 grams of protein, each gram of protein is 4 calories. So that's 20 calories from basically the protein. And then you have 10 grams perhaps of fat each, and you have 9 calories per gram, so that's 90. And then you have, let's say, 25 grams of carbs times 4, because it's 4 calories per gram of carb. That's another 100. So you have like 190, more than, around 200 calories or so per donut, or more if it's more fat. So that's not really ideal. Of course, if you want to build muscle, or if you want to lose weight but not lose your muscle, you need to eat more protein. So I mean, this morning maybe I only got like 20 grams of protein, 20, 30, at least a little bit more now in the pork and the fat. But I think that's how I kind of try to think about it. How can I get the protein and nutrition intake that I want by still enjoying life? So I mean, I skipped the breakfast this morning, did intermittent fasting. Last night I had a healthy dinner I can show in the background. I had like quinoa, barley, brown rice, a lot of shrimp, a lot of squid, and actually that kept me full for a long time. So now when I woke up this morning, I wasn't actually that hungry, and I could wait. Oh, it's windy here in the background. Let's see if you can still hear me. Sorry about the wind there, my microphone protection is gone. But that kept me actually full this whole morning. So you kind of think maybe that you need to eat in the morning, but actually you don't. If you're fast and eat proper dinner, that's fine. So actually when I'm gonna go home now, I'm gonna go to the gym to actually make use of all that energy. Maybe I will show a little bit in the background here. It's probably gonna be a lot of people, so I don't wanna record much, but at least kind of what I look like. Some of the exercises I did. At least when you eat more calories than normal, you wanna put them to good use. So I'm gonna use those up. And then, I mean, the reason I'm kind of doing this, I woke up actually this morning, I was 12.4% body fat, which is actually the lowest I've been since May last year. We're having a competition at work, Challenge Ice, and it's the first week now. It's Saturday, it's been 6 days, but my goal is to get in my best shape of my life this summer again. So yeah, gonna push it a few weeks. It's a bit windy in the background. But we'll see how it's going. But I also want to, live life, not just be on this crazy track. So if you want to follow me on the journey here, see more from China, me trying weird things, but also eating healthy, let me know. And if that's the case, make sure that you like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.